All right, that was just my rotini pasta that I cooked al dente. I'm gonna come in with some shredded carrots. Just right there. Then we have some red onions. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be delicious. This is a super easy and yummy pasta salad, but I'm putting a little fall twist on this. This is some broccolini that I cooked and chilled. Oh, look at that beautiful color on the broccolini. For our protein, we have some chicken that I also cooked and chilled. Because we want this to be a cold salad, not a hot salad. I think I'm just gonna use about half of what I made, save the rest for later. I have some dried cranberries, yummy. Put those right in the middle. Beautiful, look at these gorgeous fall flavors. Add some more fall flavors. I have some pecans, whatever you call them. And we're gonna put them right here. Look how gorgeous this is coming out. We are almost ready. This is the quickest, most delicious fall salad. Now I have some mozzarella pearls. Ooh, my favorite cheese for a pasta salad. And we are just gonna go ahead and put that right there in that empty spot. Yummy, this is gonna be so good. You can use whatever cheeses you want. You can use whatever pasta you want. I think really just keep with the fall veggies and you'll make a great fall pasta salad. All right, before we give this a great toss, we're gonna add a little bit of pink salt. You can skip this if you're worried about the sodium, but I just like a little salt, a little flavor. We don't want anything to be bland. Okay, literally less than a teaspoon in there. Now, of course, we gotta add some pepper. I love some fresh grinded pepper in my pasta salads, in all my salads. Ooh, it just adds that little punch that everyone loves. Perfect. Now for dressing, we're gonna do something a little healthy, keep it light, keep it fresh. I have this balsamic vinaigrette. You could obviously make your own. Balsamic vinaigrette is very easy to make, but you guys know I like to keep things super easy, just, pre-made on my channel. So we just bought the pre-made balsamic vinaigrette, but if you have a great balsamic vinaigrette recipe, please share it below. We're just gonna do a light little squirt, cover up everything. Oh, look how delicious that looks. Not too much because we don't want to overpower the other flavors. All right, now this is ready for a toss. Oh yeah, look at all those beautiful colors, that dressing, those pecans. This is gonna be so decadent. Oh, the broccolini. What is not to love? And everything I make is customizable, so if you don't like onions, don't put them in there. If you want to do some bacon, throw it in there. If you want to do something other than chicken, maybe some tuna, go for it. That's the best part about pasta salads is you can put whatever you like in them. I just wanted to share my fall twist. This is great for Thanksgiving as a side dish, or just on a warmer fall day if you want something cooling and refreshing. This is it. That looks absolutely delicious. Let's serve it up. All right, I have my bowl and my fork ready right here. Let's get a nice, good serving with everything in it. Ooh, look how delicious that looks. I am very happy. Okay, let's get some pasta, a little broccolini, some carrots. Oh, that's a perfect bite. You guys are really gonna like this one.